My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2020 Volkswagen Golf. This is a hybrid electric vehicle. It has done just under 37,000 miles with an automatic transmission. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature. And to the right, we have our voice control. We also have automatic headlights and a keyless ignition. On the screen, we can access our key features such as smartphone integration, radio and media, navigation, my vehicle, app connect, users, sound and background. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors. Just below we have our driving assist, climate control and menu. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.